Hey, can I, can I talk to you for a little bit? Yeah, everything's fine. I needed some air and I was wondering if you wanted to come. Okay. Yeah, here, let's go out to the yard. Yeah, I am. Honestly, I am having a really good time. I don't think I've had a birthday party since I was a kid, so despite what I may say, I really do appreciate you guys doing this for me. It's been a good day, yeah. It's been a good birthday. What did I want to talk about? Listen, this might be kind of a hard conversation, but I've been wanting to do this for a while, and with it being my birthday, it just got me thinking. I'm not getting any younger. Time is definitely not slowing down at all, and I don't want to waste any more time. I don't want to wait for the things that I want anymore. I don't want to hold back or have any regrets for not doing or saying the things that I've been thinking about for years now. I think you know what I'm talking about. I don't really know how to start this. We've been friends, forever. As soon as we met, it was like everything clicked between us. From the time we were kids, after graduating, now as adults, you've been a constant in my life, and I'm grateful for that. I love you, you know that. But there's been something else that's been a constant in our lives. And I know I've kind of hinted at this before, but I'm not sure it's quite as much of a positive as our relationship has been. Just let me finish, okay? Your girlfriend, I know her, okay? I've known her for almost as long as I've known you. I know her so well, and I've seen the way she treats you. I've seen the way things are with her. And I've told you before, this isn't how it should be. She treats you like a thing. It's like she doesn't see you for who you are. She's always trying to change you, always telling you what you're doing wrong. And I get that no one's perfect, I'm not, you're not, she's not. But I don't know how many more ways I can tell you that this isn't how it should be. And I've been holding back for so long from telling you that you deserve better. And more than that I could give you better. I'm tired of dancing around this. I'm tired of not saying flat out how I feel about you. Yes, you are my best friend. And yes, I do love you. But I want it to be more than that. I can give you more than that. I can show you what it's like to really be loved in a way that I don't think she ever has. I just can't spend another day watching you hide yourself away the way that she's taught you to. Looking at me, knowing that I'm the only one who sees you. Knowing that you're the only one who sees me. I couldn't go home another night and lay awake thinking, why? Why her? Why not me? Why am I laying alone in my bed right now when you should be here? I can picture so clearly what it would be like. The way I'd hold you and I'd keep you safe. The way I'd pick you up when you're down, encourage you. Maybe call you out on your bullshit when I need to. You deserve to be loved in so many ways. You deserve to be touched with tenderness and kindness. You deserve to feel like the person that you're with can't hold back how much they love you and how much they want to show it. If you were mine, if you were truly mine the way I want you to be, I don't think I could ever let you go. I would cover you in kisses constantly, hold your face and kiss your forehead and your cheeks until there's no doubt in your mind that you are adored. We do all of our favorite things together. I'd watch you play all your favorite video games without telling you they're stupid. We'd go to the water park and go down the slides until we're ready to throw up. We'd go camping. We'd stay up late watching shitty horror movies and then fall asleep in each other's arms. Every night. The last thing you'd hear is me telling you how much I love you. The first thing you'd hear in the morning is me telling you how beautiful you are. I would never let you go a day without hearing either of those things. Okay, I know I'm not her. I know I'm not tall and pretty and girly. I'd be stealing all your hoodies and letting you steal mine back. And make you watch wrestling with me and pick fights with douchebags everywhere we go, but you've never made me feel embarrassed about those things before. Just like I've never wanted you to feel embarrassed about the things that you're passionate about too. We have something. We have all the potential in the world to be happy together. And I know I am probably not what you pictured for yourself, but I really do think I could give you everything that you've wanted. I can tell by the way you look at me on those nights when she's mad at you, she's ignoring you, she's trying to make you feel bad about yourself for something stupid. I can tell that you're looking at me and you're picturing the same thing I am. You're picturing a future with me. I think you know and you trust that I would never try to hurt you that way. And even if you reject me tonight, even if you say you don't feel the same way or you can't do this, I won't regret it. I won't regret telling you how I feel, but more than that, I won't regret telling you that you deserve better. I hope you think about that. I don't need an answer tonight. I know that's a lot to ask, but I do want you to know that I won't wait forever. I can't keep living like this. I need to value myself enough too, to know that I have a lot of love to give for someone who's going to accept and appreciate it. And I want that to be you. God, I want that to be you. But that doesn't mean that I'll spend the rest of my life waiting for you. I know that was a lot, so I guess I'll just give you time to think about it. But don't leave me hanging, okay? Even if it is bad news. And if I could ask for one gift for my birthday, it would just be, I don't know, for you to admit that you deserve better. I'm gonna go inside now. Yeah, what is it? I knew it. I knew you felt the same way. Do you think that you're gonna talk to her tonight? I know that's a lot, but God, seeing the look on her face when you tell her what a bitch she has been tonight and every night that we've gone out for the past 3 years would be the best birthday gift. All right. Yeah, you're too nice for your own good. But you will talk to her. You promise? Okay. And do you think maybe for tonight, just a hug would be okay? Yeah? Come here. Oh, God. I love you. I love you. You are my best gift this year and every year. And I'm never gonna let you forget that.